Happy New Year 2026 to you. Happy New Year 2026 to you. I wish you a Happy New Year. I wish you a Happy New Year. May this year bring happiness. May this year bring happiness. Welcome the new year with a smile. Welcome the new year with a smile. I hope 2026 is good for you. I hope 2026 is good for you. May your dreams come true. May your dreams come true. Start the new year with hope. Start the new year with hope. I wish you peace and joy. I wish you peace and joy. May this year be successful. May this year be successful. Happy moments fill your year. Happy moments fill your year. I wish you good health. I wish you good health. May 2026 bring new opportunities. May 2026 bring new opportunities. Enjoy every day of the year. Enjoy every day of the year. Stay positive this new year. Stay positive this new year. I wish you a bright future. I wish you a bright future. May your family stay happy. May your family stay happy. Start fresh this new year. Start fresh this new year. I hope you achieve your goals. I hope you achieve your goals. May joy follow you always. May joy follow you always. Happy New Year with love. Happy New Year with love. New Year means new beginnings. New Year means new beginnings. Leave worries behind this year. Leave worries behind this year. Welcome happiness in 2026. Welcome happiness in 2026. I wish you success this year. I wish you success this year. May your life be peaceful. May your life be peaceful. Celebrate the new year happily. Celebrate the new year happily. I hope this year is kind to you. I hope this year is kind to you. May you smile every day. May you smile every day. Start 2026 with confidence. Start 2026 with confidence. I wish you good luck. I wish you good luck. May your work bring success. May your work bring success. Enjoy new chances this year. Enjoy new chances this year. Stay strong in the new year. Stay strong in the new year. I wish you positive energy. I wish you positive energy. May your heart stay happy. May your heart stay happy. Welcome 2026 with joy. Welcome 2026 with joy. New Year brings new hope. New Year brings new hope. I wish you bright days ahead. I wish you bright days ahead. May this year be special. May this year be special. Happy New Year to your family. Happy New Year to your family. Let this year be peaceful. Let this year be peaceful. I wish you good times. I wish you good times. May your wishes come true. May your wishes come true. Celebrate life in 2026. Celebrate life in 2026. I hope you stay healthy. I hope you stay healthy. New Year brings fresh hope. New Year brings fresh hope. May happiness stay with you. May happiness stay with you. Enjoy every moment this year. Enjoy every moment this year. I wish you inner peace. I wish you inner peace. May this year be bright. May this year be bright. Start the year with joy. Start the year with joy. I wish you a joyful year. I wish you a joyful year. May love fill your life. May love fill your life. Welcome the year with positivity. Welcome the year with positivity. I hope 2026 is amazing. I hope 2026 is amazing. New year brings new strength. New year brings new strength. May success follow you. May success follow you. Stay happy all year. Stay happy all year. I wish you peaceful days. I wish you peaceful days. Happy New Year celebrations begin. Happy New Year celebrations begin. Let go of the past year. Let go of the past year. I wish you new achievements. I wish you new achievements. May your days be bright. May your days be bright. Celebrate new beginnings today. Celebrate new beginnings today. I hope this year inspires you. I hope this year inspires you. May joy enter your home. May joy enter your home. Start the year with gratitude. Start the year with gratitude. I wish you endless happiness. I wish you endless happiness. May your path be clear. May your path be clear. Enjoy the New Year's spirit. Enjoy the New Year's spirit. I hope your goals succeed. I hope your goals succeed. May peace guide your life. May peace guide your life. Welcome positive changes. Welcome positive changes. I wish you calm days. I wish you calm days. May your year be joyful. May your year be joyful. Celebrate hope and happiness. Celebrate hope and happiness. I wish you cheerful moments. I wish you cheerful moments. May 2026 be memorable. May 2026 be memorable. Stay hopeful this year. Stay hopeful this year. Happy New Year once again. Happy New Year once again. I wish you new happiness. I wish you new happiness. May this year bring peace. May this year bring peace. Start the year fresh. Start the year fresh. I hope you feel confident. I hope you feel confident. May joy light your days. May joy light your days. Enjoy the start of 2026. Enjoy the start of 2026. I wish you steady progress. I wish you steady progress. May your heart feel light. May your heart feel light. Welcome happiness today. Welcome happiness today. I hope you stay motivated. I hope you stay motivated. May good things happen. May good things happen. Celebrate a fresh start. Celebrate a fresh start. I wish you warm moments. I wish you warm moments. May success come easily. May success come easily. Enjoy a peaceful new year. Enjoy a peaceful new year. I wish you bright mornings. I wish you bright mornings. May smiles follow you. May smiles follow you. Stay joyful in 2026. Stay joyful in 2026. I wish you a wonderful year. I wish you a wonderful year. Happy New Year 2026. Happy New Year 2026.